Hello, good afternoon. My name is Rishab Mukherjee. I'm from B.B.A. LL.B batch. Today with us is Professor Supriya Chouthoy, an Associate Professor of Management in BITS Law School. Today we are going to discuss about how management and law are interrelated towards each other. So ma'am, here are my questions. My first question is how management and law are effectively interdependent towards each other.
I seriously feel that the fields of management and law are intertwined and interconnected. Organizations today exist within the ethical concept and within the societal concept. So you're looking at businesses dealing with different types of stakeholders. They can be financiers, they can be consumers, they can be customers, there can be governments, regulators, employees, suppliers. Now, each of these stakeholders have different objectives which may not necessarily align with what the business is doing, but the organization has to treat them in an ethical fashion because they are operating within society. And when you're looking at the area of ethics, understanding legal compliance is really important. So an understanding of legal compliance with the ethical considerations can actually create an organization that's honest, a brand that has brand integrity, and this is what each stakeholder enjoys interacting with. So we are really looking at a person who knows law as well as management, bringing it together and becoming a game changer for the organization.
My another question is, which I think many individuals will relate, is that many people or many students who want to pursue BBLLB or who are in BBLLB batch are from commerce background. And so how management principles are important and come and actually enhance or helps law as such.
So if you look at lawyers, they're very clear about legal compliance. If you look at a manager, they're trying to operate within society, looking at different stakeholders and trying to create value for every stakeholder. Now, when you're bringing it together, that is the compliance of law and the management principles, when they get designed, keeping in mind the legal compliance, you're looking at a perfectly complemented management principle that is attempting to do the right thing. So I really feel lawyers are able to spot opportunity in the market because they know legal compliance and they have an understanding of management. So therefore they can bring to the table both these understandings and make it a combination which will work very well.
So my last question is that similarly you said in your previous answer is that lawyers are important, especially, and they know that it is important for management principles to be implemented in their space. So could you please elaborate on that?
So if you look at a lawyer understanding how business works, you know the different phases that a business goes through. So a business needs to be set up. So there's compliance required there. You need to hire good people. You need to therefore comply with all the employment acts. You also need to create a brand entity, a brand business and protect it. You have to ensure that you're also protecting consumers of your brand. Therefore, you have to comply with the Consumer Protection Acts, with the the different the Companies Bill Act. You're looking at different acts that come in. So, for a lawyer who knows how business works, it really works as a combination that is creating impact and value, not only for the organization, but also for the environment in which they're operating. And for the organization, you're really looking at an ethical organization, therefore evolving, which has a competitive edge and which is dealing with a honest brand, which is putting out into the market a brand that is a brand that has the integrity because it is legally compliant as well as the understanding of management is in it. So I do think that it's a great combination for a student to have understanding of management and understanding of law.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
And thank you for people who are watching. Have a good day.
Thank you.